Hi.
Hey guys,
Hi.
here's Joshua. He says hi. I got an email that a couple of you guys are having trouble with the homework for the weekend. So let me go over a few parts of it for you to help you see what you need to do, okay? So in the listing, it talks about how you got a job and this is the amount of money you get every month. So that's going to go, oops, I shouldn't point to the screen. You can't see that. That goes right here in your deposit. Deposits are income. Income is money you get for doing work or as gifts, things like that. Withdrawals and debits, these are your expenses, okay? This is money coming out of your account. So your deposit goes here, and it is a fixed amount every month. You know what it's going to be for most people, okay? So you can go ahead and look and put in your total income down here because none of these things are income. The rest is all money going out. Okay. Stop. No, do not spray that. Yucky. So I want to jump down to savings, okay? Your savings has to be 5%. So I took 0.05 times, oops, I'm pointing again, times your income and put that number right here. If I'm wrong, sorry, fix it. Okay, that's going to be fixed. That goes right, oh, yep, that's fixed. Okay, so you're going to put an F right there. All right, now let's look at rent. Rent is given to you, but it's given to you as this amount, $11.99. You're sharing this place with 4 people, or with 3 people, so there's 4 of you total. And so your portion is the $300. So what you're going to write down is $300. That's your portion. And yes, I rounded. You can round too. Okay. Oh, and make sure you put, I did not do it, but make sure you put that it's fixed. Okay. The rest of these expenses here are your choice, but your withdrawals cannot be more than your income. They can be less. You can always have extra money at the end of the month. That's a good thing, but they cannot be more. So, no, get out of that. Stop. So when you are looking at how much car payment you want, then you need to make sure it's not more than you can afford, okay? Make sure your cell phone bill is not more than you can afford. Make sure going to the movies is not more than you can afford, okay? Make sure your eating out fits within your budget. Start with the more important stuff like electricity and water, okay? So talk to your parents, your friends, your family, your neighbors for what they think that reasonable amounts might be for these things, okay? Put that here in the trash. And then you'll get an idea of what those need to be, okay? I didn't want you to have to just put numbers I gave you because I thought it'd be more fun if you could come up with the numbers. Okay? If you guys have any more questions, please email me and I'll keep checking it this weekend. Okay? Can't wait to see y'all next week. Bye.
You say bye.
Oh.
Bye.
Wave.